If you don't maintain your digital space, it will absolutely take over your brain, steal your focus, waste your time, and you know what? It's going to quietly sabotage your productivity. You've done the work of organizing your files and you've done the work of setting up your systems. If not, you can check out the links below to the full playlist, okay? But just like your physical space, your digital world needs regular maintenance, all right? Kind of like our kitchens and the laundry room, right? Okay, today I'm sharing a quick 5-minute digital declutter routine that you can use daily or weekly to keep everything clean and clear and totally under control. So let's get into it. The 5-minute digital declutter routine designed specifically to boost productivity without overwhelming your schedule, all right? Now, I do this every Friday just before closing my office for the weekend. All right. And it's actually on my to-do list in my Asana. This habit is simple, fast, and powerful, and it works because it creates mental clarity while reinforcing my systems, and it'll do the same for you. Step one, clear your digital desk. Start with a quick sweep of your desktop, downloads folder, and browser tabs. Okay. Close any open tabs that aren't relevant anymore. Close everything. All right. And delete them if you no longer need those. Move downloads to their proper folders or delete what you don't need. Not sure? Move to your file and delete folder to deal with it later. All right. Don't overstress about this. Remove random screenshots, any temporary files, or one-off documents. I actually created a screenshot file on my desktop, and almost always I select and delete all. Super simple. Now, doing this creates an instant sense of clarity. It's like clearing your kitchen counter, which I mentioned earlier. You can finally breathe again, okay? Step two, tidy your workspace. Open your primary tools. For me, that's Asana, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. And just take 1 to 2 minutes in each to do a quick tidy up, all right? In Asana, I move uncompleted tasks to another day. I review whatever tomorrow's to-dos are. And then I actually do this at the end of each workday, not just weekly, okay? And then in my Google Drive, I move files out of the shared or recent area into their correct folders, making sure they're named according to what I need them named. And then in my calendar, I check for any clutter, any duplicate events, any old time blocks or unnecessary holds, anything that needs to be cleaned up. This isn't about a deep clean, it's a reset, okay? A small regular action to keep things flowing. Step three, rename, move, delete, okay? Use the final couple of minutes to just rename any poorly labeled files, especially screenshots or docs that are titled untitled, all right? Move loose files that into your established folder system, okay? Everything needs to be in its place. Delete duplicates or things that you know you won't need again, all right? Or like I mentioned, move them into that file. Don't overthink it. Just a handful each day keeps your digital space lean and functional. So why does this work? Well, it's short on time, but it's big on impact, all right? You build momentum instead of letting clutter pile up, all right? Now, you maintain clarity, which helps you focus faster and helps you make decisions with less friction. That's a win-win, right? And then most importantly, you protect your peace of mind because a clean space equals a calm brain and it saves you money, all right? Now, in summary, digital clutter returns without maintenance, okay? I want you to use that 5-minute daily, weekly routine to stay organized. So remember the steps. Clear your desktop, downloads, and your tabs, all right? Step two, tidy Asana, your Google Drive, and your calendar. Step three, rename, move, or delete any stray files. Small actions equal clarity, momentum, and peace of mind. Now, you've got the fast fix to keep all your digital chaos from creeping back in, right? We've done that. We see what it is. But this is just the maintenance piece, okay? To fully organize your business from files to workflows, apply what you've learned from this series, all right? I want you to do that. I'm going to link to the full playlist below. So if you've missed any videos, you can catch them there. But if you're really ready for the full system and the step-by-step support, I want to invite you to come join me inside Vision Mastery Accelerator. It's just $7 a month. You'll get access to the full digital organization framework plus monthly coaching and productivity tools tailored to women solopreneurs like you. Check the links and join us today. I'll see you inside.